I'm Doofles, and today I'm out here at ZDT's Amusement Park in Seguin, Texas. Today I'm joined by my friend Devin. Say hi. We are here just for an hour. ZDT's closes in an hour. We just came from SeaWorld San Antonio. We came for Switchback, of course, as you can see going over there. We have 1 hour to get as many rides in on Switchback as we can. Good weather. It was really cold earlier. The wind died down. It's a great day out here in Seguin, Texas. It's gonna get dark soon. The sun's going down, and we are gonna get on Switchback, going in the main building to get some wristbands for an hour of Switchback. Okay, we got our Switchback wristbands. These are $20. These are only good on Switchback. Show your wristband. You ready? Are you ready for Switchback? It's over here somewhere. I see the structure. It's just a question of how do we get to it. Oh, I see the signs. I see the station. We're almost there. First rides ever on Switchback here at ZDT's. Alright, we just got off Switchback right there behind me. I've probably ridden it at least 10 times by now. There's no one here. It's just us at this park. There's like hardly anyone else here. We just stayed in our seats. They just kept sending us through. I rode it like 10 times. Devin's probably ridden it 5 times.
Five times.
What'd you think about it?
It was very scary and very shaky, and it gave me a lot of anxiety. But it was very, very fun the first 2 times, and then the third I was like, ugh.
So it is on the Gravity Group Timberliner trains, and those hug the track, so you feel every little bump, every little kink in the wooden track. A little bumpy, I'll be honest, and not rough. I wouldn't call it rough, but I wouldn't call it smooth either. It's pretty thrilling, especially in the back row. I highly suggest the back row. On the back row, you don't go up the spike as far, but you get whipped over that drop. You get a ton of airtime. It's so much fun. This is a great little coaster. I'm enjoying it so much. I've ridden it 10 times by now. I'm gonna ride it 10 more, maybe even 20 more times. I got the all-day pass, $20. It's worth it. I'm getting my money's worth. This is great. Fantastic little wooden coaster out here at ZDT's Amusement Park. I'm losing my voice. I've been screaming so much on this little coaster. It's great. It's so good. Here's some Switchback and ZDT's merchandise. Got some arcade games over here. Some classic arcade games. Good old Connect 4 over there. Oh, looks like there's some rock climbing over here. Some bungee jumping. Nice little entertainment center over here at ZDT's. This place is nice.
time, right?
Walking down the ramp. Final ride of the night. As you can see, I just rode the world's only wooden shuttle coaster, Switchback, at ZDT's amusement park in Seguin, Texas. Oh, it was so good. It was so... I have my flash on right now because it's pitch black. You'd be falling down this little exit ramp. Oh my goodness. Any final words? And that is the end of my night out here at ZDT's amusement park. Lots of rides in on Switchback. I don't know if you can see it over there. Wow, that thing is amazing. It's a violent little wooden roller coaster. Night rides are fantastic on it. I got probably 20 rides total, 20 or 25. I spent $21 on the Switchback wristband, so about $1 for every ride. I got my money's worth, to say the least. It was fantastic. It's a fantastic, amazing, words don't describe it. It's so good. It's a violent little roller coaster. It doesn't look like it. It's only like 80 feet tall, but it tosses you around. Those timber liner restraints barely touch you. You're just being tossed around every direction. It's great. It's so good. What do you think about it, Devin?
I was horrified the first 4 times, but after 5 or 6 times, the 7th and the 8th were enjoyable for sure. But it is violent, very, very violent. Okay, it's not to be taken lightly.
I think Switchback was a little too much for him. It was a little intense, to say the least.
Very.
We rode Texas Stingray earlier in the day. We were at SeaWorld earlier. Do you think that was more intense than Texas Stingray?
Yeah, I think it probably was a little bit more intense, just because of the fact that you're thrown around so much, and there's like a 90-degree turn where you're just completely horizontal, and it is really, really like it just throws you off. It's really, really crazy, but I would recommend it 100%.
So Switchback obviously isn't as tall as Texas Stingray. It's probably, to be honest, half the size, but I think it's twice as good. It's just so good. Words can't describe it. Come out here, make a trip to ZDT's amusement park, ride Switchback, ride the other rides. It's a nice little place. The workers were so friendly. It was great. Prices are extremely reasonable. Really good prices. $20 for an all-day pass on Switchback. If you want to do all the rides, it's $30 for all day. I think that's pretty reasonable. We were only here for an hour, but we got on Switchback. I think he rode it 8 times. I rode it like 25 times. You can do a lot in an hour here. I wouldn't recommend spending all day here, but I think for an hour, you can do a lot. It's a great little park. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed watching, stay tuned. I have lots more amusement park vlogs coming in the future. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.